Alright, so feels good to be back. Today I'm gonna try to climb actually the best climber in Sweden's own creation, this slopey 8A behind me. I tried it like a week ago, real quick, and it felt doable back then. And I just warmed up on some of the moves, and it does feel doable now. So we'll see how it goes. Whoa! I'm gonna try the top move real quick. Once more.
Yep.
Okay. The weird thing is the move to the crimp, I think is gonna be the crux from the start. Just because, like, if I lose a little bit of chalk and just a little bit of tension, it makes it so much harder. Because when I tried it before, if I just hit it like slightly off, I just popped right off. But now when I get it, well, perfectly for me anyways, it's like, it sticks. From the start, that's gonna be hard. I think it could go. Last go felt very good. It was just like, I think I got a little bit too hectic with going to the sloper, but as long as I feel safe in that move, it's gonna be fine. All right, let's do this.
Okay.
Oh, see, that's what I mean. If I just hit it like slightly off, like there, my pinky wasn't really on. So just, I think maybe I hit it, but it just popped off immediately. And then it was just like a slopey three finger crimp left.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like we're not going anywhere.
That was a close call. Every move was like, no, I'm gonna fall. Okay, I managed to get it. Like, I was so close to falling off all the time, but it went. Yellow one. Okay, next boulder is downstairs on the comp wall. It's this like system wall crimpy 8A that you're gonna see in a few short moments. Did it! Yeah, so this is, I think, one of the most like the bigger classics in here right now. The yellow one behind me. It's crimpy, endurancey, and hard as nails. But yeah, I'll give it a burn. Like, I feel pretty limited by going to the first pinch. It's super hard for me. So I'm gonna try bumping it up slightly higher up and see if it's better up there. Just make like the next move slightly easier. Ooh! Oh shit, that's so good. Oh man, like the upper pinch is not a jug, but it's super good. If I get that one, I'm not saying I'll make it to the top, but it's definitely gonna be easier the last couple of moves. I think I even skipped, yeah, I skipped the second last crimp. Cool. All right, a few minutes rest and then first. It's a pretty weird mental game on this one for me, because as some of you know, I'm not like the best crimper in the world. I have a pretty hard time holding crimps. Prefer slopers and pinches. And so I have to like sort of mentally engage my right hand on the big crimp that I match, which I don't know, it's like I just leave the zone, you know? I'm just like fully focusing on, okay, lock that crimp off, and then sort of forget about everything else. But I have to maintain that like focus on the left foot. I have to maintain focus on the toe hook before I go up to the left hand, because otherwise, well, what just happens. Like I just slip right off. So there I forgot to put pressure on the left foot, and it just slid right off. I have the toe pretty deep into the hold, deep into the like toe hook, which basically means that I can't really reach the crimp to the right. I should have sort of slid it out a little bit before I went, but I was like, I'm so safe here. I'll just try and see what happens. That was stupid of me. I'm starting to think of different betas, so I'm just gonna hop on and not change my mind before I go for it. Alright, so I'm gonna give it one last go, and then we'll move on from this day and just yeah.
No. That looked so good though. It looked really
I
solid.
think I would have done it if I just maintained my fucking. Sorry. Damn it! We have to give one more go after that. That was terrible.
Yeah. You,
El Frederico's over there. Final effort.
you have to send it before Freya comes and sends it.
Okay.
Here he is. Ah!
Let's boy. Okay. Missed everything. Like I hit every single hold poorly. All right, I gotta move on. So yeah, I'm gonna film with this dude soon. Yeah. So let's wrap up the episode. I guess this is sort of like my comeback from from filming. Haven't been filming so much lately, but both me and Eric are obviously filming more since I'm gonna film with Frederick in a few minutes. Click on the thumb thing.
Give us a big huge
give us
thumbs
some
up,
love.
or otherwise.
Share some love, and follow me on Instagram if you want.
Don't do it.
I post shit workout content. It's the best.
Yeah, he does.
So if you want to follow that journey, follow me on Instagram, and remember, like the video, etc.
Yeah, and I only kid. You should follow him and all those things.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.